welcome back to the channel here at Raffy Collects. In today's video, we got another unboxing, as you guys can see from the sneakers app. And yes, as you guys can see from the title, your boy hit on exclusive access on the Nike Dunk Low Off-Whites. And let me tell you guys something, I think it's officially over. I think Friday was the official last day. They did like a really shock drop, I guess, of a last wave of the exclusive access at 1 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. So I'm hearing that is like the last exclusive access that actually went out. So hey, congratulations to all the W's. There's a lot of people that took L's and there's a lot of people that took W's. So if you are one of those people that took W's, congratulations. Please comment down below what lot number you guys received. So I don't know what lot number I have. I know a lot of you guys, yo Raffy, you could check what lot number by the color code of your email. I didn't want to cheat the code, man. I just wanted to see what I get once it gets in the mail. There's been a lot of problems of, you know, packages getting stolen, orders getting canceled and whatnot, but I'm one of those people that really got blessed that my package came in on time and actually came in a day early, and there's no damaging around the box. Like I said, it's unfortunate that people do go through that type of situation, but if you guys are one of those people, please let me know down below in the comments. But other than that, let's go ahead and unbox this sneaker right here. I'm wondering what lot number I have. I really don't know what lot number I have. But other than that, man, I'm really excited to see this in hand. 50. Whew! I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me, yo Raffy, were you active on the sneakers app? And let me tell you guys something. After the first week of the Off-White exclusive access, your boy stopped being active. I don't know what lot number I have, but I'm not gonna check. I know the lot number's right here. You guys could go ahead and see. I can't see it. I'm not looking, but if you guys could see what lot number I have. And drum roll, please, man. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we got. As you guys can see, man, the box is cool, man. It's very, very interesting to see. And let's see what lot number, which one do we have? As you guys can see it yet? Can you guys see it yet? Can you guys see the shoe? I'll let you guys look at it first. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there it is. All right, let's look at it. And 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I don't know what lot number this is. As you guys can see right here. Whew, the Nike Dunk Low Off-White. And let's actually look at this box. What lot number is this? Oh, number 7, because it shows it on the shoe. So we did get lot number 7. Let me put this box down real quick. Man, oh man. As you guys can see, I got lot number 7 out of 50, man. I'm actually really happy about this pickup. I'm so glad that I hit for retail on this. Am I going to keep this? Of course I am, bro. Like, this is exclusive access. This is one of the W's, rare W's that you could ever get. So definitely happy that I actually hit. I really didn't care what lot number I received. At the end of the day, I'm just happy that I caught a W. Very grateful, very thankful. A lot of people are saying, yo, I don't like my lot number. I got this lot number. That's crap. Nike, give me this. Bruh, come on. You cannot satisfy everybody. If you got an exclusive access, be happy with your exclusive access, okay? It's rare. It's a rare W. So, man, I'm really happy. That is one of, this is one of the few that I've seen out there. So, as you guys can see, lot number 7 right here. I'll definitely have a full review. Overall, really nice shoe right here. Lime green or a green tongue. And then you have the green, light green laces, cables, whatever you guys want to call it, overlay around this sneaker right here. Definitely happy and satisfied that I caught this W right here on the sneakers app. So shout outs to Nike, man, for this W. Honestly, never thought I was gonna get a W on Nike like this, but man, this is beautiful to see. The detailing on the sneaker is insane. Obviously there's so many lot numbers out there, so once again, if you guys caught a W, please let me know in the comment section what lot number you received. But as you guys can see, we got lot number 7 out of 50. But once again, that is pretty much it for the video. I have more unboxings on the way, so you guys make sure you guys tap in, hit that bell button down below to be notified when all my videos do go up. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. But once again, this is Raffy Collects. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.